So here's where I'm at. Paint is all stripped. A lot of the body work is already done. The cab corners, the rocker panels, interior is stripped. The floors have been fixed. Dashboard is all stripped, putting all new aftermarket, updated, modern, current air conditioning in it. Fenders are off, hood is off. Windows are out. There was rot holes all along here, which I welded, fixed, primed. That's gonna get all painted. Everything's off. All the brakes are new, motor runs. Same thing on this side, all the rocker panels are fixed. They're new. Cab corners. That side. This side. My doors are already, the insides of the doors are already painted. They're ready to go on. Back here we have my new hood. 2 new fenders. It's all good. And that's it. Moving along.